In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop efficiently on Temu using a few straightforward steps. Shopping online can be a bit overwhelming with the plethora of options available, so I'll guide you through the process, making it as easy and enjoyable as possible. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Temu website. If you're unfamiliar with Temu, it's an online marketplace offering a variety of products to suit your needs, from electronics to home goods. Once you've accessed the site, you'll be greeted by a plethora of intriguing categories and a search bar conveniently placed at the top. You can either browse through the categories to discover new items or use the search bar to find a specific product you have in mind. Feel free to explore the vast selection available. Take your time to compare items, read descriptions, and look at the ratings and reviews from other customers to help guide your decision. Once you've found a product that piques your interest, go ahead and click on it. Clicking on a product will take you to a more detailed page where you'll see specifications, pricing, and sometimes additional customer reviews. Spend a moment here to ensure that the item meets your requirements and expectations. Remember, taking the time to read through the information can save you from potential dissatisfaction later. It's crucial to verify that the product you are selecting fits within your desired criteria. Be mindful of what's included in the price, such as warranties or accessories, which might not always be listed on that initial page. After thoroughly inspecting your product choice, proceed to the checkout page. This is where you'll finalize the purchase. It's essential to ensure that the product you are purchasing is priced above $10. Often, items that are above this price threshold come with better assurances in terms of quality and customer satisfaction. Plus, spending above a certain amount could qualify you for free shipping or other promotional perks that the website offers from time to time. The checkout page will also guide you through entering your shipping information and payment details, so make sure you fully understand each step to avoid any mistakes. Once you have completed the checkout process, congratulations, you are done and your order is on its way. Temu will often send you a confirmation email with all the pertinent details of your order, so keep an eye out for that message in your inbox. It's always a good practice to save this confirmation email until your order arrives. This email serves as your receipt and can be incredibly useful if you encounter any issues with your purchase. Following these simple steps ensures a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience on Temu. And that's it for today's guide. By keeping these tips in mind, online shopping will be a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.